at the water treatment plant. That's what's coming soon. Prices are going up. Okay. Come in, ring the bell, place your order. This is what it looks like from the street side. And Smart is down from Supermart is down from there. Landmark. Where all those cars are, my fingernail is blotting out. That's Supermart construction store. San Ignacio. You got the street guys too. Landmark. Check them out. That's the Benque Viejo road up there, the Una gas station. So it's like a couple seconds down, and it's right here at this intersection. And just down the way, there's a beauty boutique, and then there's a mechanic spot right next to it. Where that sign is right there, there's an open lot where you can go and buy fresh corn tortillas and flour tortillas. And then this little building right there with my fingernail and finger, that's a tortilla shop. And they're normally open. You can get corn tortillas and flour tortillas there as well. That store right there is a supermarket store where you can buy products after hours as well and get it during the daytime. We're in San Ignacio. Name of it what? Teodosa Ochoa. Come check out. It's what, the Azul, right? Quazul refilling, purified refilling station. Check them out. You heard it live and direct from the owner right there. They have seating for your comfort. If you will need to sit, relax, and wait while they refill you, you can get comfortable. Alright, check them out.